Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So if you are yet to subscribe and you don't know that, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's see what we will be expecting this week on GBP USD. So let's start with our trend on our daily time frame. Our full trend on GBP USD is a downtrend move. This is our GBP USD. We are on a downtrend move. Now, if you take a look at this our current trend on daily time frame, we clearly can see a lower low, a lower high, or a lower low here. This is the lower high. Here comes the lower low. This is the lower high. So what next we should be expecting on GBP USD? Of course, we should be expecting a sell, right? We've gotten lower high now. Our next movement on GBP USD is a lower low, so we should be expecting another drop. So for swing traders, this is the perfect and best opportunity for you to hop in for the sell right now. You can hop in for the sell and hold the sell like this. So let's roll down to the forward time frame. So we've actually gotten a rejection level here, which is a reversal pattern. Hopefully it does not break above it. If it breaks above it, then it is going to invalidate our movement. But if it does not, market will likely continue to drop the same series of lower low and a lower high. So above all, our forecast and our next movement on GBP USD is sell for the week.